hiking down at sunset. It's already set. I saw other people on the trail for the first time in quite a while. I don't know where they went. Burnt down kickback spot. One of the areas that did burn. Like a part of the kickback bench. There's only 2 benches on the trail. One of them got burned. I'm trying to tell you something. I haven't even checked out the news today. I'm trying to stay away from that because I know some shit is going down. Somebody's bombing somebody. I haven't been on X too much. Just from time to time, sit there in the comment section. I don't have a lot of tolerance for sitting on the phone. I don't understand. Some people they sit on the phone all the time, man. It just gets to me. You can't have a social media relationship either. Hopefully I'll be getting some more views on these. I mean, I'll be happy I get 25 views. I'll be happy. I never told that. I didn't tell that many people about it. Just a couple. And then now I promoted it on my X channel. So that's got to get, and I put it right there in the title next to my name. I put my YouTube channel, so somebody will come over. I don't know. I just did that yesterday, so come on, 25 views and 25 thumbs ups. 100 views, I'd be, man. Oh. Man. So I love looking at the view. It's the main reason I do this. Something about looking down on the city. I am thinking about getting a place down in here though. Renting a place right in here somewhere. And then I'd have to find another way to get here, or else I'd have to go down and up. I'd have to go up the side of the mountain somehow. And that would be easy enough. But it's down in here. Not that anybody cares. A canyon pad, that'd be so cool. Should they come a microwave laser, everybody? Till the next burning. I mean, they did that last one in January, so that's not even fire season. So what is this fire season going to be like? What are they going to do? And we're just about in it. We are in it, I guess. They're going to do something. They didn't get enough people out of the hills. They want people fleeing into the cities. So they can build their 15-minute cities. Population reduction. And everybody knows that Deagle number that was predicted by the end of this year. We're going to lose more than half of the population somehow, through 330 to 100,000. And we're well over 330,000 because they let all those people in. But and so they probably got something. They got some shit planned ahead of it. And I knew long ago it was going to be fire. It's going to be the weapon they used on us, because we're sitting up here in these hills. I got 2 generators now. I'm not the key is to not evacuate. I mean, but lots of people don't think. People think, we're gonna burn. You know, every fire that we've had, because we had the one before when I lived on Sycamore. I was the only person on the whole block that was there. Me and my cat. Whole place had completely evacuated. And then for a while I couldn't leave. I had to stay. But I had plenty of supplies and stuff. And then eventually I was sneaking out the back, and they didn't know. I was going up through the canyon and sneaking out, and they were blocking out the streets, but they didn't know the neighborhood. Fucked up. You can't even leave your fucking place. You can't even leave home. You might not be able to come back. That's how it was, like, not too long ago for this fire. Fucking National Guard. We had those Hummers with the fucking crowd control thing on every fucking corner for a while. It's not, that don't make me feel safe. That don't make me feel safe at all. We don't need that shit. It's for the looters. Well, the looters are because you fucking evacuated. And everybody's stupid asses fucking leave. Don't leave your shit. Stay with your shit. Because they want you to get looted or get burned. And see, that's the thing. Your place will burn if you're not there. If you're there to protect it, the hose, you can save your house easily. If you have time too, like me and my friend did. We saved his mom's house, man. That was like the greatest thing ever. I loved it, man. We risked our lives, but it was fun. 2 hoses. And they were telling everybody to fucking leave. But the cops and the fire department, they never told us to leave. Because they can't. If you're going to save your house, we were on the roof. We were there long before, like over an hour before it got there. So we soaked it all, soaked all the bushes. She had a roof that wasn't the best roof. But man, we stayed until the last second, until our cars were going to burn. And I still thought the house was going to burn when we left. But it made it. And mostly everything around didn't. Because everybody was evacuated. If you're not there, you can't do shit. Like when my place burned on my place burned on Sycamore Thanksgiving Day. The dude upstairs burned the building. I had just left, and that dude, the fire started. A blanket blew over a candle or curtain over a candle, and those motherfuckers ran out on the street and called 911. They didn't get a hose or anything. I had a hose there long enough to go. It was like 400, 500 foot hose and go anywhere in that place. They ran out. Well, they weren't manly men. They were those kind of guys. But I don't think that well, maybe it does matter. We'll never know because it wasn't a straight dude. Man, that was the hardest thing ever, not being mad at that dude. I lost everything. And I just left, man. I've just gone down to my mom's, which is my place now. Thanksgiving Day 2021. That was the day. Fuck, that was a long time ago. This feels like forever. Whew. I'm almost down. Ah, my fucking cat's gonna be hungry. It's gonna be hungry anyway. It's always hungry. Man. Oh, I'm about to turn the corner so you can see the city. And then I'm gonna cut it off. That's all 27, my viewers. Maybe 27 at some point. Look at the view, get taking the view. See the view, bitches? There's Sir Marjorie. Alright, I'm cutting it off. Peace out.